Before start this video, please subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks.
Popular bike accessories retailer, Bandidos Group, has started making its own products in a new factory. The group has launched a new brand to improve motorcycle safety and offer personalized accessories. The new brand, Metalverse, will change the industry by creating one-of-a-kind designs and accessories that customers can easily install themselves. The Metalverse has established its state-of-the-art facility in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. A still from Metalverse brand inauguration aim of Metalverse Bandidos Group is already present in specialized markets in 40 countries worldwide. Metalverse has plans to make motorcycle accessories for customers in India and other countries that value safety and top-notch products. It's the first manufacturer of its kind in India to have a special team dedicated to research and development. Along with a group of enthusiastic riders who test products on all kinds of roads. The founders believe that their expertise in motorcycle racing and love for high-quality products will make them stand out. The brand's unique feature is designing customized accessories for each bike model. The riders can also fit these accessories on their bikes themselves. This not only saves money but also gives riders the freedom to make their bikes truly unique. Strategy and commitment of Metalverse plans to use strategies to categorize its products to cater to the diverse needs of customers. The brand aims to create a simple system that will help riders quickly locate the accessories that fit their bikes. The company is committed to building relationships with riders and fostering communication between customers and the brand. Through these interactions, Metalverse hopes to gain insight into the needs and desires of riders, which will allow the company to design new and exciting products that will improve the riding experience. Official statement. Mr. Murshid Bashir, founder of Metalverse, said, "Our facility is the first organized manufacturing unit in this segment in India with everything from research and development to design and production under a single umbrella. We are the first to introduce modern 3D scanning technology in motorcycle accessories manufacturing. Our focus on unique designs, DIY installation, strategic analytics, and rider engagement will set us apart from others and make Metalverse the go-to brand for motorcycle enthusiasts." Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Autocar India for more updates.